Welcome to this WritersCareer.com review. So is WritersCareer.com a scam or is it a legit freelancing platform? Are you looking to expand on your freelancing talents? And if you are, then you might be thinking that WritersCareer.com can help you to make money as a freelancer. Welcome to this review. Today I'm going to show you what it's all about so that it can help you to make an easier decision. So let's get started. Hey there, this is Rupesh and a very warm welcome to you to this video. This channel is to help you. It's to help you to get started in the world of online business. I'm sure that you might have noticed that there are so many opportunities out there that it can make choosing the right one a tough choice. And that's where this channel comes into play, because I try to show you the opportunities that are worth your time and worth your money and your efforts. So if it's your first time stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can be kept up to date on the latest happenings in the world of online business. Cool, so today we're going to talk about WritersCareer.com. Let's first have a look at their website and let me chat to you about that first. At the official WritersCareer.com website. Look, to be honest with you, I thought that initially the website's homepage was fairly okay in terms of looks and design. The one thing that got my attention is this part here, the blog section, and when you click on this blog section you tend to find that they haven't really updated it in a while. I think it was last updated back in 2013, and at this point in time I thought, could it mean that this is just one of your waste of your time platforms? See, this is what I mean. As you can see, the last was dated back in June and April 2013. And then according to their About Me page here, they say that they've been around for over 7 years. So I'm still not convinced yet about WritersCareer.com. And then if you look further down, they have some customer testimonials as well. And this customer testimonials also is not convincing enough, and some of it dates back to 2015, but there was something else that caught my eye, and that was the live chat feature. So I decided to click on the live chat, and let me show you what had happened. Mind you, I was actually quite impressed with the live chat feature. They were operational for a Sunday morning, and this was the query that I logged with them. I wanted to find out from them what their service fee charges are, and I wanted to know how much their service fees are per job. And they responded in quite a timelessly manner. As you can see, I sent it at 12:23 and 12:25 by stating that they could not divulge this sort of information to third parties, as it was according to their company's policy. Fine, with all due respect, I respected this decision, but this is when I had my first ray of hope with WritersCareer.com, and I decided to go ahead and sign up and see what the members area is all about. So now to get started, you have to click on this green button that says sign up and start earning, and then upon clicking that green button, I discovered that one is then directed to a freelancing platform which is called SA Shark, and then this is what it looks like. SA Shark. So is SAShark.com and WritersCareer.com owned by the same people? And to be honest with you, I am not really sure about them. I checked out the WHOIS domain information and could not find anything that connects the two. But nevertheless, let's talk about this SAShark.com. The first thing that I want to tell you is that I feel that the SA Shark has got a much more professional look to it than its predecessor, which is the writers.com. And if you look at their blog, unlike the one that we've seen previously, it's updated on a regular basis. As you can see, this one here was just done quite recently. It's on the April the 30th. There it says the April the 30th. Right. SA Shark, just like WritersCareer.com, is to connect freelancers with clients. That's the main purpose, and according to their About Me page, that they have been around in business for 10 years, and the platform basically, like I said, allows freelancers and clients to rate themselves. So I'll talk more about that day. But now, how exactly does SA Shark work? To register as a freelancer with SA Shark is a four-step process that you have to complete. The first step is to submit your email, and the second step is then to fill in your profile, and then you're gonna pass the grammar test, and then you simply have to write a sample essay. Okay, so upon successful completion of these four steps, you can then go ahead and then place a bid for a particular job that you are interested that the client has posted on this platform. Now you're going to be competing with other freelancers as well. And also I should let you know that at this stage, WritersCareer.com or SA Shark, what they do is they attach a service fee to your bidding price. So at the end of the day, the final price that your client's going to see is going to be higher than your initial bid price. Make sense? Okay, so let's just say you won the bid. You can go ahead and complete the task, and once you complete the task, the client then pays you your fee. And then from that point onwards, the client also has got an option to rate the services that you have rendered towards him, and you also can rate the client whether the instructions were clear in the initial stages. And as terms of payment, there are three payment methods. You can choose from PayPal, Payoneer, or you can even go for wire transfer. Now let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of this particular business opportunity. Is that the design and interface of their website is very professional, and they have lots of positive reviews and testimonials. Another thing that I like is that they have easy to view reviews of the top writers on the platform, and their blog is constantly updated. Now let me talk about what I don't like about SA Shark. First of all, you don't know what the final bidding price is. The second thing is that you can only request your payments at certain times. Look, in my personal opinion, I don't think that WritersCareer.com or even SA Shark for that matter is a scam. The platform offers a lot of transparency, and as you can see from the reviews, a lot of folks are happy with having used the platform. I would have liked them to offer more tools to you as a freelancer, but then again, if you really look at it, grammar tools and those kind of things, you can source it for yourself online. So if you are considering pursuing your freelancing talents, then go ahead and check out sashark.com. But in my opinion, on that note, I do think that it's not going to be a walk in the park because they already have some of the top writers. So I'm just saying it might pose as a challenge to someone who is starting off on a brand new note. Sometimes maybe you will have to offer your services at a much lower fee. The other drawback as a freelancer is that the jobs are not always guaranteed. But more than that, I think one of the biggest drawback of having a freelancing job is that I feel that your writing talent does not get the full recognition that it deserves. I mean, if you're putting all of your time, all of your efforts, your energy into writing something, then I feel that you should be able to do that and rather pump it into starting your own online business. Once again, that's my personal opinion. And this brings me to concluding of this review of WritersCareer.com. But what I would like to do is leave you with an alternative to the freelancing where you can still pursue your talents as a writing career, but in this way you'll be able to be pushing it into a business of your own. And let me talk to you about that in the next slide. What I'm talking about is giving yourself this opportunity of using your writing talents and starting your very own online business. Using a business model where you do not need any experience, you can work in your own free time. So in other words, you'll have the flexibility. At the end of the day, you're going to be building an online asset. And this means it's something that can generate an income for you. But more than that, it also means that as you're writing more for your website, you'll be able to earn a passive income as time goes on. So what exactly am I talking about? I'm talking about my number one recommendation, which you will find by clicking on the link in the video description below, and that will take you to a page where you will learn about the way you can make money from writing online by using your own talents, whether you have experience or not. So go ahead and check that out. I hope that you have enjoyed my video, and I hope that it has helped you out. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. But I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you everything of the best in your online future. And once again, please go ahead and check out my #1 recommendation to making money from writing online without having any experience. Wish you everything of the best, and do take care. Goodbye.